Hi friends, today I am going to show how to hack Windows on logon administrator password without any software. Yes, I don't know what is the password. I am going to restart my system. Click on restart. Yes, Windows is shutting down. When Windows logos appears, you suddenly turn off your power off button. Yes, I am going to do that. This is my power off button. Suddenly turn off your system. Yes, long press. Yes, my laptop is shut down. Press power on button. Yes, Windows error recovery. You have to select launch startup repair recommended. Yes, Windows is loading files. Startup repair. Searching for problems. Yes, startup repair asking, do you want to restore your computer using system restore? No, you have to select cancel. Attempting repairs take up to 10 minutes. I am going to pause my video. After 10 minutes, startup repair shows cannot repair this computer automatically. Click on view problems. Scroll down. Select offline privacy statement ending with .txt file. File. Open. Go to Windows installation directory. Computer. This is my personal disk. Another one is Windows installation directory. Yes, Windows. Type system 32. Go to system 32 and select the file type. Show all files. Yes. Now type command. Right click. Copy. Again right click. Paste. Now type ZHC. Yes, ZHC is there. Right click. Rename. Now ZHC 1. Just set HC with rename with 1. Now go to type command. Refresh it. Yes. Right click. Rename. Set HC. Enter. Now come outside. Cancel. Close. Close. Finish. Now power on your system. Press shift key 5 times. Yes, you got command prompt. Type net user. Now the administrator are Vijay. Again type net user. Type the administrator name, space, press shift key and then 8 star, then enter. Type the password for the user. No, just be blank. Enter. Command completed successfully. Close. Enter. Yes, you have hacked Windows 7 administrator logon password. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe me. Thank you.